If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here. Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews. But today is mail call day. Bam! So, like I said before, mail day is like Christmas Day. Yum! So let's open up the box and then I'll share with all you out there what it is. It's a bottle. A bottle of what? Well, let's see. It's a bottle of Anderson pen flush. Yes, I can make my own pen flush. Yes, I've made my own pen flush. Yes, I have the recipe and how I made it on my YouTube channel. But for me, I think it's more convenient since I don't use a whole lot of pen flush just to buy it from Anderson Pens. And hey, Anderson Pen is a well-respected name in the pen community. Brian has a really nice pen flush that I enjoy using. So, best way to clean your pens, try some Anderson pen flush. Or you can make your own. Either way, it's cool. But anyway, that's one. Alright, here's another. Now, this is a Anderson nib, and this is going to be a fine nib that number 6 size nib. It's a fine size nib that I want to put in some of my other pens. I do like the Anderson nibs. They work quite well for me. And I needed a Kaweco, another Kaweco converter, so bam, there's that little jewel to come in mighty handy. Alright, and what is this? Let's see, let me see here. It's a rolled up, yes, Anderson Pens come out with a new micro gloss. They have 1 and 2, and I just got the number 1 right now, but I believe that this is going to be a really great gloss that's going to really bring to life that luxury of a pen. And I'm going to use it on this Schaefer desk pen that I'm restoring right now. Yes, you heard me, I'm restoring it. I'm not going to do a whole bunch, just that one for a friend of mine, and that's it. So that's why I got this bottle. I have some other different types of solutions of gloss, but when I saw this on Anderson Pens and spoke with Brian a little bit about it, so you know what? Yeah, I went with this one. So let's see what else is in here. Okay, here we go. All right. And let me explain this pen to you. This is the Llama Safari. Now, I have stopped buying Llama Safaris because my whole plan was I wanted to get all the colors. Well, I have so many Llamas that I've already sold and got rid of a lot of my Safaris. I have quite a bit left, don't get me wrong. But when I saw this newest color of the Llama, the mango, I had to have it. You know how that is. So I got that in a broad nib, so I can't wait to crank this one up. It's going to be fun. And we're not done yet. And a real important thing I needed was the bulb syringe. My other one finally gave way, so I got that one from Brian too. All right. Voila. And thank you, Brian. These are some of the notebooks that Anderson Pen carried out. I don't know if you saw them. They're really nice, cool notebooks. And they really are affordable notebooks. And again, thanks, Brian, for thinking about me. He sent me these notebooks, and the paper feels really nice on it. I like the lined paper. And I'll be doing a review on this. So, the Oasis notebooks. So, this is going to be interesting. Of course, the paper, it's made in Japan. So, right there tells me if the paper comes from Japan. I'm thinking it's going to be really nice paper to write on. And this has the date on it and has the lines. And, yep, it's going to be pretty cool. And the other one, different colors. Same thing. So, again, Brian, thank you so much. Appreciate it, sir. A lot of love, Brian Anderson Pens. So, that's going to do it for today. Wow. I guess I'll clean up this stuff now. I just cleaned up the table, and here it is again. But anyway, that's a good thing. Keeps me occupied, busy. So, friends, take care. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. It's always a lot of fun for me. And wash those hands. But before I go, a surprise, we're not done yet. So you thought I was done. I had to do that. I'm sorry. We got more stuff here. Got another box. Open it up. And you're just about to leave, right? I thought I'd change it up a little bit. And actually, I don't even know what this is. I forgot. So we're going to find out here, aren't we? Here it is. Here it is. I need to show you this beautiful pen. I think it's a stunning pen. Beautiful pen. Got the ink window, hooded nib. Beautiful pen.
Is that a pink color?
Yes, it is. Piston filler. Yeah, I like that. Really sweet. So, that came in. I've been waiting for that little jewel. Last but not least, and this table looks just like it does when it's Christmas morning. And then we're done, okay? So this is something that I have been waiting for. I think they're cool. If I can ever get this open. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. La. Here we is. Now. Let me open these up. There. And let me show you what I've got going on here. Over at Zazzle's, a new mask. I think you can pick these up for like $12, I think, something like that, isn't it?
Something like that.
Yeah. So I've come up with the design how I wanted on my mask, and Mr. Announcer put it on there for me like I wanted it, and I have the little pin bug. And again, 1,000 thank yous to Craig Williams in it last name. Yeah, he's an artist that designed the pin bug, and this is the grandson now. So that's pretty cool. I'm digging it. So we have one more here. So, and here's a different style, black. And then I will have a couple of more that's going to be coming out where Craig drew a picture of me, and let me show you that picture real quick. I need to get a frame for it, but that's one of Craig's pictures he drew. And the other one, did I already put that one up? Yeah, I think I already put that one up in the living room already. So, of the pin bug, did I already put, oh, here it is, here it is, here it is, here it is. I got to get a frame for this one too. Here it is. Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Yep. Craig Williams. Amazing artist. Really. He's also a pin enthusiast. Yeah, he digs fountain pens. And that's going to wrap it up. Now this time, I'm going to say bye. See ya. Until my next video. Be safe. Wash them hands always. Don't text and drive, please. Peace out.